Find the limit of square root of x squared plus 1 minus x as x approaches infinity. So the common mistake is the students say that, hey, I have square root of infinity squared, or just I end up with infinity minus infinity and it is equal to infinity. Guys, this is indeterminate form. You cannot simplify it as infinity. It's just a common mistake. When you have infinity minus infinity, this is indeterminate form. What's the meaning of that? It means that you have to do a little bit of algebra here. So note that infinity minus infinity is called indeterminate form, and it is not infinity. We need to do algebra here. So here you have the limit of square root of x squared plus 1 minus x. X approaches infinity. What are you going to do? You're going to find the conjugate and multiply the numerator and your invisible denominator, which is 1, by the conjugate. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate. The conjugate is going to be square root of x squared plus 1 plus x. So let's see. This is pure algebra here. What are we doing? Minus x divided by 1. The numerator multiplied by square root of x squared plus 1 plus x divided by square root of x plus 1 plus x, and then find the limit. So for your numerator, it's not that difficult. You're going to do a little bit of distribution here, right? This is equal to the distribution here and here, or you can basically say that, hey, I'm multiplying the same quantity, a minus b, times a plus b, which is a squared minus b squared, or you can just do distribution here. Square root of x squared plus 1 times square root of x squared plus 1 is equal to x squared plus 1. And here you have plus x times square root of x squared plus 1, then do the distribution for the second term. Minus x times square root of x squared plus 1 minus x times x, negative x squared. Divided by 1 times this guy, just copy down square root of x squared plus 1 plus x. You're finding this limit now as x approaches infinity. But you need to simplify a little bit. These two terms, they are opposite of each other, so cancel them out. Negative x squared and x squared, it disappears. What's left? You have the limit of 1 divided by square root of x squared plus 1 plus x as x approaches infinity. So you basically have 1 divided by infinity plus infinity, which is 1 over infinity, and it is 0.